A day in a life, a day in my life. My morning skincare routine by using my favorite product from Lux Organics. Nag-promote bigla. For the walking person. Walking, 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 walking. For the hintay ng bus or jeep ang person. Nakasakay na sa minibus. Cute yarn. Walking, 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 walking. Again, again, again. Papasok pa lang ng school eh. O pauwi na. Agardas Versosa na. Welcome to Hagonoy Resort. Ali swimming, pre-entrance, magdala ka na lang ng pagkain, solve ka na. Yun nga lang eh, kinabukasan may sakit ka na. Salamat at nakarating din ng school. In-game na naman, nasa larong ganda-gandahan, no? It's time to go home. Ang iingay ng mga klase ko. Rinig na rinig yung boses. Siyempre, bago umuwi, dadaan mo ng Vista Mall. Bibili ng, guess what? Skincare or foods? Ten. Kyoko milk tea.